Entering a more sustainable age where the public conscious have grown wary of the dangers of the production of non-eco-friendly products that have been recognized as one of the faults of global warming. That being said, we ought to adopt a more eco-friendly alternative. And that's where we come in. Assalamualaikum, my name is Hadim Mizan and this is Nova Pay.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Najmi Hamizan. Today, I will be presenting to you about the NOVA paint. Commercialized face paint nowadays contains toxic compounds which are harmful to us. So, we decided to take an initiative to develop a non-toxic and natural face paint which can be applied for such purposes as education, recreation, religious and cultural activities.
Hi, my name is Norima Fadi and we are NOVA VIRIDI. Firstly is Bibex. It is one of the oldest known binder for paint. So what is binder? Binder is the part of form of paint which eventually solidifies to form dry paint filler. Second, dynamics for render. This dynamics for render as natural preservative. Preservatives are commonly used in cosmetics to prevent decay during storage and also to prevent the breakup of molds, fungus when they apply. Lastly is methodology. The analysis of paint is methodology, such as chromatography, mass, and chlorophyll, which exhibit colors ranging from yellow, green, red, and brown.
First step is the extraction of algae pigment. So, what is the type of algae that we use? Chlorella vulgaris, spirulina, and Haematococcus are the only species of microalgae being studied for this project. They were collected from departments of Bioprocess Technology, Faculty of Biotechnology, and Biomolecular Science, University Putra Malaysia. All the other chemical used as analytical grade. The method of extraction that we use is salt slag extraction. I guess you all must be wondering, what is salt slag extraction? Salt slag extraction method is extraction from the algae powder. So in this case, the dried microalgae powder were loaded into a separate thimble and treated for 5 cycles with 3 different solvents, namely as acetone, methanol, and chloroform at their boiling points. Extracted solvent was separated using a rotary evaporator. So now let's move on to the second phase. Second step is formulation of face paint. All the ingredients for preparation of oil face were mixed together in a beaker and heated at 70 Celsius to dissolve all the substance. Then the ingredients for the preparation of water face were mixed together in another empty beaker and heated at the same temperature similar to the oil phase. Both oil phase and water phase were mixed together by pouring the water phase from the beaker into the beaker that containing oil phase. The mixture was then mixed at 8000 rpm for 5 minutes to complete the process. The last step before the product can completely used was analyzing the formulated face paint. We used 2 types of tests. The first test was organoleptic test. Observation that we all made is in terms of shape, color, and smell of the face paint. The second test was pH test. By using the digital pH meter, the gel sample should be at skin's pH, which is 4.5 to 6.5.
That we can gain from switching to this face paint. For example, in the health aspect, the natural pigments from algae are safe and non-toxic to the human skin compared to the synthetic colorant from traditional commercialized face paint. Lastly, the utilization of this algae that is locally sourced will promote the versatility of algae and its application as a more eco-friendly colorant alternative that will soon replace traditional commercialized face paint in the market.
Any substance found which are algae extract are used as color pigment, and Puscaria odorata, also known as daun kesum, are used as preservative for the face paint. It's been proven to be safe and cost efficient for the industry. Previous research done have proven that algae have microbial activity and positive effects, thus the incorporation of algae have no negative effects. Lastly, the face paint is formulated to suit the human use according to the delicateness of skin and against any discomfort.